RPG's foundations are in off-road racing. Grandpa started taking me down in Baja, Mexico when I was 4 years old. We would go down, we'd play on the ATCs, go play in the sand, go do some camping, spend a lot of time in Baja with him. Puts it in your blood. So the foundation started when I was 4. Racing started when I was in my early teens. Been running Baja for a long time. Path is driven by passion. That brings us where we are today. Raptors. Love the vehicle, love what it stands for, love what's behind it. So when the Ford Raptor was a conception, we were able to spend some time with Fox and Ford figuring out how to tune the suspension. There was a lot of heart, a lot of soul put into that vehicle before Ford finally said, okay, enough, we're ready, let's produce it. We then started making product for it. There's always a consideration when you're a small business owner between my wife and I of what to and how to use our finances wisely. We started RPG in our garage. Over the years, it has changed a lot. We had a big problem of productivity. We were always at the mercy of those manufacturing stuff for us. Put it this way, if there was something that was needed right away, I would have to go and bang on the door. What do you want, a Starbucks card or a bottle of tequila? We need parts. Over and over and over again. So we were under the mercy of other manufacturers. And now that we have the Torchmate table, we can do that all in-house. We're not at their mercy anymore. I had to look at it and say, what is my justification? What is my return on my investment? How many hours a month is that machine going to have to work to compensate, to pay for itself? When we're all said and done, now that we've had the Torchmate table for a couple years, it paid for itself in full in 9 months alone. We're good to go. Everything that we now do on this table is a profit. There are other companies out there that do manufacture Raptor products, but at the end of the day, we are the only company that has as much engineering background, has as much time out on the racetrack, has as much history with Baja. We trust Lincoln to give us the equipment that we need.